This is our story about the journey of Susie Salmon, who was born at the source of the river along with all her brothers and sisters. After a while, they began to move out of their eggs and move around in the water. They swam around at the source of the river for a number of months before gradually beginning to move downstream. Slowly they moved and stopped and rested and used their camouflage to blend in. They fed on insects. At this stage, they were called fry. Along the route, they met many dangers. First of all, there was the signal crayfish, an invasive species, not native to these parts. They caught and killed the salmon, as they did many other types of fish. That was the end of the first salmon. The rest moved on. Another invasive species lay in wait, this time the zander. Again, not native, not wanted, hard to control, killing the salmon, the young salmon, and eating it. The rest of the salmon, at this stage, they were called par, moved on further down the stream, trying to avoid the danger. As they moved further along, this stage being a smolt, almost a young adult, other dangers lay in wait, such as fishermen, waiting on the bank of the river to catch the unsuspecting smolt, hauling it up and having a tasty feast for themselves. Other creatures, predators, also lay in wait. For example, the still and unmoving herons. The herons lay in wait, poised, and pounce and catch their smolt, their prey. Further on at the mouth of the river, the estuary, other dangers, the seals. Seals lay in wait. They eat their own body weight in fish every day. Again. So salmon have to pass all of these stages to get to the open sea. There's many casualties along the way. Eventually they make it to the open sea and swim for great distances. But again, there are dangers at sea also, such as sharks and other bigger fish who love to feed on the poor salmon. After approximately 2 years at sea, salmon will return to the very same river where it was born. again facing the dangers, again going back up the stream, back to the source of its own life. And the cycle starts all over again.